just wanna win.
Hi guys, so I'm back with another tutorial. This is a 20-inch. It's a frontal wig, 2 combs on the side and 1 at the back. Comes with adjustable straps as well, so you can adjust that however big or small your head is. So the knots already come bleached and this is fully customized. The lace is already cut. This is basically how you'd receive the wig when purchased from us. Okay, so this is going to be applied glueless, so you just want to make sure that you secure both the combs and at the back as well. So yeah, and then we can start working on the hairline. So just pin your hair away from your face and separate the long hair from the short, which is going to be your baby hairs. Okay, so you don't want to cut any more hair, you know, not unless you really have to, but it comes already cut for you. But if you feel like maybe it's a little bit longer than you like it, you know, then you can just cut where you should, but only cut when it's really necessary, because you know, you can't get back hair you've already cut off. So I'm using the olive oil setting, what is this? Wrap setting lotion. So I do prefer using a setting lotion than a normal gel. I just find that the finish is very different compared to a gel, because the gel will dry and it will be flaky sometimes, you know, and you just do not want like stiff and flaky hair. It's not cute. So once you're happy with the results, you can set it and use your blow dryer on low heat. Okay, it has to be completely dry. Then there it is. And that's why you should not start with your makeup when you're doing this, because obviously the mousse is water-based. It is gonna kind of like rub off your foundation. But anyway, then we can start styling the hair, and yeah, you can curl it, you can straighten it, however, but this is naturally straight, so I'm just going to keep it as is. So for a more softer look, you just want to go in with a comb, a fine comb, and just comb out the baby hairs just for a more softer look. So sometimes you do need to go in and cut out a little bit more, you know, according to your forehead. So my forehead is a little bit shorter, so the long baby hairs don't really do it for me. Just cannot get over this lace. It is so thin. It's not even HD, but it's still good. This is a normal Swiss lace in transparent. So yeah, I just wanted to show you how long it is. I did say this is a 20-inch, so it's pretty good, like true to length. So you can pretty much wear this anyhow, on the side, middle part, like however, behind your ear, show off your baby hairs, like however you feel, however your vibe is on that day. A low ponytail also works. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and check out our other videos. Also check us out on Instagram, Bellissima_premium hair. Like us on Facebook, Bellissima Premium Hair, and I'll leave all the details in the description box for where to get all your products.